How to delete a repost on TikTok. If you have mistakenly reposted something on TikTok and you would like to remove it, or if you just want to remove some of your reposts, then here's how you can do it. Firstly, open TikTok app on your device and make sure that you are logged in to your account. Now go to your profile by tapping on the profile option from the bottom panel. In your profile, you will see an interface like this. In your profile, you will see different sections. Click on the repost icon to see all of your reposts. Under repost, select the repost that you would like to remove or delete. On every repost, you will see this option, You Reposted. Now tap on the option You Reposted. After that, a panel like this will appear. Here you will be able to see how long ago you reposted this video. On the right section, you will be able to see a button called Reposted. Click on the Reposted button. Now select the option Remove Repost. And just like that, your repost has been deleted. Now you won't find the video under your repost section. This will not delete the original video but will remove a repost from your account. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.